Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you? Excuse me, I want to introduce myself. My name is Saa Sulastri. I'm 21 years old. I'm single. My religion is Muslim. I'm not eat pork, but I can cook pork. Malay's education senior high school. My height 160 cm. My weight 50 kg. I come from Indonesia, Cirebon, West Java. I have experience work in Jakarta 2 years. My job is take care baby, go to market, cooking and clean the house. I'm not a fat cat and dog. I can cook Chinese simple food like steamed fish, steamed chicken, fried chicken and so. My employer is Chinese people. My employer in the house have 4 people. There are ma'am, sir, grandma and baby. I want to go to Hong Kong work because I want to earn more money to support my family. I hope ma'am and sir choose me as a helper. I will work hard and be polite. Thank you ma'am, thank you sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.